What's happening? And what's wrong with your car? Nah, my car's not here right now. I just let Reek borrow it about 10 minutes ago. Alright, I'll tell you what I can do for you, I'll let you borrow Rosalind's car. Just make sure you have it back by 10:30. Yeah, I hear you. But have it back by 10:30, because I don't want no static when she wakes up. Alright. Keys will be downstairs. Talk to you later. Peace.
Bill, someone stole my car. My car is gone. Bill, my car is stolen. I don't know, but my car is gone.
No.
It's gone. I looked out the window, it was gone.
No, relax.
No, my car is gone.
Rosalind, nobody stole your car.
Where's my car?
I let Candy borrow.
Why would you let Candy borrow my car? Huh?
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you? Why would you do that? Honey, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Why would you do
What is wrong with you? It's not a problem.
I told you not to.
I will buy you another one, all right? Is that a problem? What you gonna call the police for? What they gonna do? Come by here and drink coffee and eat donuts?
Ha.
There you go. That's him now.
Good.
Rosalind, don't go start arguing with Candy. All right? Leave him alone.
That's number 2. Bill, someone stole my car. My car is gone.
What?
Call the police. My car is gone.
Call the police.
My car is gone. I looked out there. It's
Why
gone.
steal your car, baby?
Well,
I
then
let
where's
Candy
my-
borrow it.
You let Candy borrow my car?
Yeah, I let Candy borrow your car.
Why did you
All right?
let that man
Look.
drive my car?
We'll be back in a couple of minutes, all
But
right?
Bill, someone stole my car. My car is gone. Call the police. Call the police. My car is gone.
Oh, relax. What
No,
makes you
I looked outside. My car is gone.
Your car, nobody steal your car.
Then where is it? Where's my car?
I let Candy borrow it.
You let Candy borrow my
Yeah,
car?
he's on his way back. He'll be here in a few minutes.
Why would you let that man borrow my car?
Listen, why we gonna call the police? What they gonna do? Come and drink coffee and eat donuts, right? Don't worry about it. All right?
Car is gone. My
What?
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 car is gone. It was stolen. Call the police.
No, relax.
No, so my car is gone.
Rosalind, nobody stole
Then
your
where's
car.
my car?
I let Candy borrow it.
Why would you let Candy borrow my car? Huh?
What's wrong with you?
Why would you do that?
Wait a minute. That's him now.
My car is gone. Call the police.
What?
My car is stolen. I don't know, but my car is gone.
No. Nobody took your car,
Then
man.
where's my car?
I let Candy borrow it.
Why would you let Candy borrow my car? Why would you do that?
What is wrong with you? It's not a problem. Then why you gonna call the police? What are they gonna do? Come on over and drink some coffee and eat donuts, right? Rosalind, you worried about? That's probably him right now. Rosalind, don't go start arguing.